the second chapter, the first concept, writing number of strings. In the first chapter, I have introduced one function, printf. This is very important function. After main, without main function, you cannot write any C program. And if you write any program without printf function, you never write a program. What is the importance of printf? Printf is C's writer. C's writer means ultimately after completion of every program, we have to display some data, result or output on the output screen, on the monitor screen. So, who is the writer? The printf. Printf, by using printf, we can write data, write result or output on the monitor screen. That's why without printf, you cannot produce output on the monitor screen. That's why we should achieve perfect command over printf. If you achieve perfect command over printf only, you can write output very easily. And not only writing output, it formats. I will explain to you little later. Now we are learning what is formatting. So by using printf only, we format things. In the first chapter, we have learned one simple capability. What is that capability? If you write ABC, it simply reproduces ABC like this. Now you have given a string as an argument to printf function. String, already I told you, a string is a set of characters which are enclosed by a pair of double quotes. So this you have to provide. These double quotes, what we call delimiters, they tell where string begins, where string ends. But in output, the double quotes are not printed, and only the data it prints. Suppose if you write lowercase, if you give this argument, the same thing is produced. If you write 1, 2, 3 as a string, the same 1, 2, 3 is produced. Now, if you write this one, this is a set of blank characters. This is also a string. Here, 3 blank characters, you create a string. Then that is printed. And one more thing, every time I am using word setup, even a single character is also, you have to take it as a string. So whatever you give, that is simply reproduced. When the program is executed, this is printed. Suppose your name is Madhu. You write Madhu, and Madhu is reproduced. So using this is a simple capability. Using printf, we can produce any data on the monitor screen that we learned in the previous chapter. Here, now you see the first program 1.3. Sorry, this is 1.1. The first program, you see page number 3. Here, printf, we have written 5 printf statements. 5 printf statements like this. 5 printf, and we have written different strings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next string A, capital A, B, C, D, E. Third string lowercase a, B, C, D, E. Fourth one, we have written 5 symbols. Fifth one, we have written blank spaces along with the 5 symbols. Actually, 5 symbols for the blank spaces, we have used delimiters, and these are all, you have to call them as blank characters. Actually, blank characters, suppose if you have to type A, you have to press a key. Then, if you have to create a blank space, if you have to type a blank character, you have to press the space bar. So, space also treat as a character. Understand? A is a character. What is the difference between A and space? A, for printing A, you have to type A, and printing blank space, you have to press space bar, but it is having printable shape. Blank space does not have any printable shape. That is the difference. So that's why it is better you call it as blank character. You treat blank space also at par with other characters. It does not have any printable shape. So, in 1.1 program, we have written 5 printf statements and the output is printed. Here, one discrepancy is now we have written 5 printf statements. Normally, you expect the output also in 5 lines, but here entire output is printed in one line. One line, whatever contents we have given in the string, all the contents were printed, but instead of printing in 5 lines, they are printed in only one line. By this, you should understand one thing. What is that? Printf cannot break its line on its own. Printf cannot break its line on its own. Now you see printf A, B, C, printf D, F, printf G, H, I. You write 3 printf statements you write and the output A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So, output is printed in one line. This is the thing. This is the, you must remember that printf is having a weakness. It cannot break its line. Cannot break its line. We have to provide an element to that. Then only it can break its line. So, that element is called a new line. New line sequence. This is new line sequence. Wherever you insert the new line sequence within the string, there the line is broken, the string is broken and printed in the new line. Now you see, now printf AB new line. This is backslash, slash and backslash, don't confuse. In some cases we use slash, some other cases we use backslash. Suppose in the previous class I showed you comment. Comment delimiter is slash and star, and here new line sequence symbol is backslash and n. Now cd backslash ef backslash, like that you write. Now we have written one string, but output is printed. Suppose this is the monitor screen. Now AB. Now cursor is here. It moves the cursor to the first position of the immediately next line. CD. Again cursor is here. It moves the cursor to the first position of the next line. EF is printed. Now A, B, C, D, E, F are printed. Now you see. Now by providing new line sequence here, new line sequence means backslash and n, you are able to break the data. That is, you are creating a new line. This is called line breaker or new line sequence. So wherever you want to break the data, then you insert new line sequence. Now you see this program 1.2 program, page number 4 you see. Here in the page number 4, 1.2 program, you at the end of every printf statement, you have written new line sequence. As a result of that, what happened? What you expected? You expected output in 5 lines. 5 lines, then output is printed in 5 lines. This is new line sequence is very important sequence, because if you have to format data and all that, the data should be broken. Wherever data is to be broken, there you have to insert a new line sequence. This point always remember, that is the importance of the new line sequence. Here one more thing you get in the fifth line I have written two new line sequences. Then you may get a doubt why I have created. Actually, if I don't create them, your output is printed from the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if you generally you feel that output is printed just 1 or 2 lines below, it looks good. You can personally experience that. I want to print this output 1 or 2 lines below. That is why what I did in the fifth line, two new line sequences I inserted. I have written a printf statement with the two new line sequences. Because of that, one line break, two line break, then first line of this thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is printed 2 lines below. It looks elegant. You personally experience. If you want, you can do that. So, in this way, by providing new line sequence, we can break the data.